On October 12, 2008, in a small town of 20,000 people, northeast Poland, in a place called Sokolka, an interesting occurrence took place. At St. Anthony of Padua Church at the 8:30 a.m. Mass, Father Filip Zdrodowski and Father Jacek Ingielewicz were distributing communion. A host fell to the floor, and a woman kneeling to receive communion noticed and alerted Father Jacek. The priest picked it up, but the host was dirty and not fit for consumption. In line with church procedure, Father Jacek placed it in water in the tabernacle to allow the host to dissolve. A week went by, and when Sister Julia Dubowska opened the tabernacle, she was hit with a strong scent of freshly baked bread. She also noticed a blot of a red substance in the middle of the host, which unusually still had not fully dissolved. She alerted Father Stanislaw, the parish priest, who rushed to examine the content. After the news reached Archbishop Edward Ozorowski, him and Chancellor Andrzej Kakareko came to investigate. Upon examining the mysterious substance, the Archbishop requested the red sample be stored reverently. It was removed from the water and left to dry out. The Archbishop decided to proceed with scientific investigation to identify the substance. Two professors from the University of Białystok, Professor Stanisław Sulkowski and Professor Maria Sobaniec-Lotowska, two anatomical pathologists, would conduct the investigation. They are two well-respected scientists with almost 400 academic journal publications on PubMed between them. The results were amazing. The samples were subjected to meticulous analysis and were found to consist of myocardial tissue, heart cells. The scientists also observed the processes of segmentation and fragmentation occurring in the cells. These processes are only normally observed in heart tissue cells when someone is suffering greatly and death is imminent. So the sample appears to be from someone still living, but under immense stress. An astounding fact is that under electron microscopy, the scientists observed that the myocardial tissue fibers and the bread substance was so intricately interwoven in such a meticulous fashion that could not be achievable by human efforts. As with all Eucharistic miracles, the sample has not decayed as it naturally should, having been in water and exposed to air over long periods of time. People have tried to dismiss the findings, claiming the red substance was simply down to natural processes of bacterial growth on the bread. But this claim is easily invalidated by the fact the relic can still be observed today and has not completely decayed. The relic is currently in the tabernacle of the Divine Mercy Chapel within the rectory of St. Anthony of Padua Church, another amazing scientifically tested miracle of the Catholic Church, in which all the scientific detail aligns with the Church's teaching of Christ's true presence in the Eucharist.